lesson part 2. I will explain you now, children. We were discussing about the teacher clothes, new clothes. That what did Franz saw that his teacher has beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and the little black silk cap with embroidery. Then he never wore except on the inspection or a prize distribution day. Beside the whole school seemed so strange, and here what the Francis seemed that his teacher has put on the beautiful green coat, frilled shirt and black colored embroidery cap, and whole school looked so quiet. But the thing that surprised me most was see on the back benches that were also empty, the village people sitting quietly there. Old Hauser with three-cornered hat, the formal mayor, the postman and several others. Everyone looked sad. Here what Franz is observing that village people are sitting at the last bench, postman, mayor, etc. And he is wondering why they are sitting there. Now, while Franz was observing about it, old M. Hamel moved his chair, and in the same brow and gentle tone he had used what he now, sir was sitting on the chair, M. Hamel. He moved his chair and asked friends and children to listen to him carefully. My children, this is my last lesson. I shall give you what sir is telling, that the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive. Now what he is telling, sir, what M. Hamel is telling, that this is his last lesson in French, and he is ordering the children to be very, very attentive in the class. What a thunderclap these words were to me. Franz is telling, what a thunderclap, जैसे कि बिजली गिरी उस पे, सुना? What is this? This is the last lesson of French. Oh, the riches means happy. That was what they have put on the bulletin board in the town hall. Now Franz understood that what has written on the bulletin board, that this was the message that today is the last lesson of French. My last lesson of French? Why? Franz hardly knew how to read and write. He said, oh, I don't know how to read and write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there. Then, oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds, eggs, or going sliding on the Saar. Now Franz is feeling guilty that he has not taken interest in studying French lesson. Instead of that, he was wasting looking outside the birds, eggs, and he was going on the sliding on the Saar. Saar means there is a river between French districts and town. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago. What he is telling? A while ago he was thinking that it's so heavy to carry the bag. History book, grammar book, all these books were useless to me, burden to me to carry, that I could give up now. And my M. Hamel too, the idea that he was going away, that, and he's thinking, oh, my sir is also leaving the school. Now I will tell you little bit. Now again I will repeat the lesson in short. See what happened. For the last 2 years, all the bad news had come from the bulletin board. An order came from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. The German had put up this notice on the bulletin board. M. Hamel, again I am repeating in short, M. Hamel had put on his best dress, his beautiful coat, green coat, his frilled shirt and a little black silk cap, all embroidered. The whole school seemed so strange, and on the back benches that they were also empty. The elderly village people were sitting quietly like the kids. Now, Franz came to know that it was the last lesson in French that M. Hamel would give him. From the next day, they will be taught only German. Then he felt sorry for not learning his lesson properly. Then he felt sorry for not learning his lesson properly and looking at the birds' eggs, etc. And he forgot all about his ruler, how cranky the sir was. Who? Frank. Did you get it, the point, children? Okay. Why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room? It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. It was the way of thanking our master for 40 years of faithful service. Here why the village man were sitting? To thank the master, because in that village the M. Hamel worked for 40 years. 40 years is a long period. And they were coming, and this shows that they are giving respect for the teacher and for the country. While Franz was thinking all of this, Franz heard his name calling. Now his turn was to recite participle, and he was not able to answer because he don't know anything about that. He got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to his desk, his heart beating and not daring to look up. Then Franz heard M. Hamel said to Franz, I will not scold you, little Franz. You must feel bad enough. See how it is. Every day we had said to ourselves, oh, we had plenty of time. See, children, we always think that हम कल पढ़ लेंगे, अब बहुत time है, बाद में पढ़ लेंगे. So we have the habit of keeping the work for tomorrow. Same year the Franz has done. I will learn it tomorrow, and now you see where we come out. Sir is telling now क्या हुआ, where we are standing. Oh, that is the great trouble with Alsace. She put off learning till tomorrow. Now, these fellows of there will have the right to say to you, how is it? You pretended to be Frenchman, and yet you can neither speak nor write. You're the Frenchman, you don't know how to write or read your own mother tongue language. But you are not the worst, poor little Franz. We all a great deal to reapproach ourselves with. Means you are not in fault. We all are also in fault. Who is telling? M. Hamel is telling. Your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. Your parents were not anxious enough to learn you. They prefer you to put you to work on the farm or at the mills. What they used to do? They used to put you for the work in farm or mills to earn little money, so as to have little more money. And I have been blamed also. Even M. Hamilton is telling, even I am in fault. How I often sent you to water my flower instead of learning your lesson. And when M. Hamill wanted to go for fishing, didn't M. Hamill give you a holiday? If the sir wants to go for the fishing, he used to give the holiday for the children. Then from one thing to another, M. Hamill went to talk of French language, saying that it is the most beautiful. एक की बाद एक बात बोलते जा रहे थे, and now he is talking about the French language. How beautiful is the language in the world, the clearest, the most logical. We must guard it among us and never forget it, because when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as they had put the key to their prison. Then he opened a grammar book. He talked about the French language, how beautiful and easy language is that. And now sir is opening the book and he started reading lesson. Franz was amused to see how well he understood it. See children, if you take interest in studies or games or sports, with interest if you do, you can understand or learn anything that is possible. Now what here Franz understood everything because he was attentive. And he said, seems so easy, I think too. When he told Rory, it is so easy, that French had never listened so carefully, and then he never explained everything with so much patience. Even a teacher did not explain it with such a patiently. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give up all he knew before going away and to put it all into our heads at one stroke. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि सर सब कुछ सिखा देना चाहते हैं एक ही टाइम में. After the grammar lesson, we had lesson in writing. What happened after grammar lesson? We had writing lesson. That day M. Hamill had new copies for us, written in a beautiful round hand, France, Alsace, France, Alsace. Means with cursive writing, curved writing. They look like little flag. How it was looking? That it was like a little flag in the classroom, in the books, on the books, desks, table. The only sound was, the class was so pin drop silence. Only the sound they were hearing was scratching of the pen over the paper. Only the sound they were hearing of the pen, birds flew, but nobody noticed it. French thought himself. While he was writing, he thought, again he looked to his teacher, he got respect for him. One day he was very much afraid of M. Hamill. Now he has respect on him. He was thinking that he worked for 40 years. He is a truthful man, dedicated to work. And now he forgot about his cranky nature. Sometimes कभी हमको ऐसा लगता है किसके लिए ओपिनियन गलत हो सकता है, कभी बाद में हमको वो आदमी अच्छा लगता है. Whoever it is. Whenever Franz looked up from writing, Am Hamel sitting motionless. What he noticed, friends noticed that Sir is sitting quietly in his chair, gazing one thing to other. What he is noticing that he Sir is looking all the things, because he was there for 40 years in the same village of Alsace. Now the time has come to leave. So he had an attachment with the thing. He was looking one or the other things. And for 40 years he had been there in the same place with his garden outside the window and his chair in front of him. Only the decks and the benches had been worn smooth. जो हम पहले देखेंगे तो नए थे, अभी थोड़े वो हो गए, डल हो गए और थोड़े खड़बचड़े हो गए. और the walnut tree in the garden were taller, and the hope vine that he planted himself twisted about the window on the roof. The Sir Am Hamel planted वॉलनट ट्री, अखरोट के झाड़ उगाए उन्होंने. होप वाइन का जो पौधा लगाया था वो विंडो में, ऐसा पूरा विंडो इट वॉज कवर्ड. हाउ इट मस्ट हैव ब्रोकन हिज हार्ट आफ्टर लुकिंग ऑल दिस थिंग. आप एक समझ सकती हो कि उनके दिल पे क्या महसूस हुआ होगा ये सब, कि वो अभी छोड़ के जाने वाले हैं. It must have broken his heart to live it. All poor man, to hear his sister moving about in the room, packing their trunks. What the noise was coming? Am Hamel's sister, she was packing the bags, trunks, यानी बड़े बड़े पिटारे. उसका आवाज़ आ रहा था ना, उनको दूसरी कंट्री में जाना था, right? But he had courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing, we had a lesson in history, and then the babies chanted there. जब उसके बाद हिस्ट्री का लेसन हुआ, वो बता रहे हैं स्मॉल बेबीज लर्न करते तो बाबू, 2 letters 3 letters words, right? That it was the history lesson. Babi, Bobu. Down there at the back of the room, old Hauser had put on his spectacle and hiding his premier in the holding his premier on his both hands, spelled the letters with them. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion. Friends, remember it, the last lesson. All at once the church clock struck 12. Suddenly what happened? The clock struck 12. Then the angelus means the Christian do prayers, right? At the same moment, the trumpets of Persian returning from drill. The Persian were returning from exercise. Drill means exercise. Sounded under the window. Am Hamel stood up very pale in his chair. I never saw him looking so tall. Yeah, what France is describing? I never saw my Sir such a tall. Tall means seem very confident. What is the meaning of looking so tall? Seem very confident. Now Am Hamel is telling, my friend said, but something shocked him. Sir stood with confidence and told my friend, but he was not able to speak. Something choked him. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, bearing on it with all his might. He wrote as large as he could, Ville of France. Ville of France means Amar Raho France. Ville of France. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word he gestured to us with his hand. School is dismissed, you may go. Now children, I will I hope you will understand this. I will now give some important question answers and grammar of this book. Hope you will learn. What was the France except to be prepared with for school that day? यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि स्कूल के लिए क्या उसको प्रिपेयर करना था. फर्स्ट चिल्ड्रन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, देन ओनली यू कैन एबल टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. That day France was expected to be prepared with particles because Anne Hamel said that he would question them on participle. What did France notice that was unusual about the school on that day? उन्होंने यहाँ पे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि फ्रांस ने अनयूजुअल जो कभी नहीं देखा वो क्या देखा है. तो when the school began there was a great bustle. जब भी स्कूल स्टार्ट होता था तो वहाँ नॉइज रहता था. bustle means noise which could be heard out in the street, but it was all very quiet still that day. Everything was quiet as Sunday morning. There was no opening or closing of desks. His classmates were already in their place. The teacher great ruler instead of rapping on the table was under teacher's arm. You can answer this way. What had been put up on the bulletin board? bulletin board में क्या लिखा था? Answer is, for the last 2 years all the bad news had come from the bulletin board. An order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The German had put up this notice on the bulletin board. You can write this. Now next question. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school that day? What changes? क्या changes पता चला स्कूल में जब ये ऑर्डर आया? तो आप बता सकते हैं सर के ड्रेस के बारे में, राइट? क्या क्या उन्होंने पहना था? ग्रीन कोट, ब्लैक कैप, राइट, फ्रिल शर्ट. एंड व्हाट यू सॉ? ये लास्ट बेंच में village people were sitting, elderly people were sitting. You can mention this answer in exam. And Hamel put on his best dress, his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt and the little black silk cap, all embroidered. The whole school seemed so strange. On the back benches they were also empty. The elderly village people were sitting quietly like the kids. You can write this. Now next question, children, this is also very important. How did France feel about Anne Hamel and school change? अब फ्रांस को कैसा फील हो रहा है अपने टीचर के बारे में, अपने स्कूल के बारे में? He felt sorry for not learning his mother tongue. Right? His books which were seems to loosen and burden. पहले उसको उसकी बुक्स बहुत बर्डन लगती थी, अब उसकी वो बुक्स उसको फ्रेंड लगने लगी. Now about Anne Hamel, he forgot all about his ruler and his how cranky he was. उसको सर के ऊपर रिस्पेक्ट होने लग गया, वो उनके रूलर भूल गया, उनका cranky नेचर भूल गया. This you can write the answer. The people in this story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What should you show this? Why does this happen? Suddenly लोगों को अपनी मदर टंग का इम्पोर्टेंस पता चलने लगा है. तो आप क्या सोच सकते हो इसके बारे में? What show you this? Why does this happen? M. Hamill told the student and the villagers. M. Hamill ने क्या बताया? M. Hamill is the teacher. उन्होंने बताया कि कल से यहाँ only German lesson will be taught in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. Those who called themselves Frenchmen would neither be able to speak or write. जो फ्रेंचमैन है ना वो अपनी भाषा बोल सकेंगे ना वो लिख सकेंगे. He said that for enslaved people the language was key to their prison. Then the people realized how precious the language was to them. This show people love for their own culture. You can mention this. This is very, very important, children. Part 3 of same this lesson, I will take the word meaning and notice writing. What is notice writing? Which is in the textbook. Children, before only I told you, follow only textbook. एक word, एक meaning, एक sentence, everything you should know from the textbook. Then you are able to get the good marks in final exam. 87 to 90 marks you can score easily in the English subject, children. Again and again I am telling, reading is very important. Speaking English is very important. So please try and speak in English. Now I will, about this lesson, now I will tell the word meaning. Here, thunderclap. Thunderclap is the word. This question they asked in MCQs, children. 1 mark you can score easily if you know the correct meaning. Startling and unexpected. जैसे कि थंडरक्लैप वो जब सुना कि जर्मन लेसन फ्रांस ने सुना कि जर्मन पढ़ाया जाएगा तो उसको थंडरक्लैप हुआ कि जो वो अनएक्सपेक्टेड, कि ऐसा उसने सोचा नहीं था. तो दिस इज द मीनिंग. Startling and unexpectation. The meaning of that. Let's see. Hold fast to. Hold fast to. This word is also there in the textbook. The meaning is are attached to the language. Are attached to the language. वो उनकी भाषा से attached है. In plenty of time. This again another word. Plenty of time, early enough. Then when France was going, blacksmith told that don't go so fast. You have plenty of time to reach the school. So enough time. Plenty of time means early enough is the meaning of this. Then look so tall. Another word, look so tall. What is the meaning of look so tall? अभी मैंने समझाया भी और अभी हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में भी पढ़ा. seem very confident. Seem very confident. Right? Children, they can ask like this also. See, notice is there. Notice will be of 5 marks, children. You should know how to write the notice also. Right? That I will teach in another section. Then they will ask about the next question. They will ask about the para of 100 words. Arguing for against having to study 3 language at school. ये ऐसा भी पैरा लिखने का भी पूछ सकते हैं. और 100 words at that time you cannot count. 100 words means 9 to 10 lines, not more than that. In exam I saw that many children writes long. They don't know the words limit. So you will get the negative marking. Always remember these things, children. 100 words mean 9 to 10, not more than that. If you write 9 lines, it's okay. That will also do, but not write more. Some children think that जितना ज़्यादा लिखेंगे उतना मार्क्स दे देंगे. नहीं, you are wrong, children. This notice I will explain in grammar portion. Then they will give that talk about your classmate. Fill the information of that, the languages you know. Suppose you know Kutchi, Marathi, whatever, you have to write that. Home language, which language you speak in at home. राइट. नेबरहुड लैंग्वेज, आपके पड़ोसी देश में कौन सा बात बोली जा रही है. सिटी टाउन लैंग्वेज, स्कूल लैंग्वेज, स्कूल में कौन सी भाषा बोलते हो आप. हिंदी, इंग्लिश, राइट. यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट. I hope children you have understood. I have done the exercise also, and I will teach you how to write notice and what is notice in a grammar portion, writing skill. Thank you and have a nice day. Suppose children, if you have any doubt in English, you can directly contact me. You can note my number. I will write in the textbook the lesson which I am sending. I'll write in the textbook. You can contact me anytime only regarding to studies. Thank you children.